Hello viewers, welcome to Earthbondhon YouTube channel. I am Mohammad Rahman Shohag with you. In this video, now I am showing you how to make two-way switch connection in 4 method. If you are new to my channel, please be subscribed and stay with me. Press the bell icon for more my video. If you already subscribed, thank you so much. So viewers, let's start. Switch 1 and switch 2 bulb phase connection input to switch 1 common terminal. Phase connection from switch 1 to switch 2 L1 terminal. Phase connection between switch 1 and 2 L2 terminal. Output connection from switch 2 common terminal to bulb. Neutral connection input to bulb neutral point. Now this circuit is ready for use, and press a switch, the bulb will on. Press another switch, the bulb off. So viewers, that's my video. If you like my video, please like and share my video to your friend. Share my video to your all social media. Thanks for watching my video and thanks for being with me. Thank you so much.